Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this week's video, I'll be transforming myself into an ABG. So Jen made a video just like this one not too long ago, and I thought it was super fun, and it just inspired me to make my own. So according to the internet, an ABG, or an Asian baby girl, is kind of a badass and is into things like parties and fast cars and tattoos, and their style and aesthetic is really different from my own. So I just thought it'd be really fun to just embrace that ABG lifestyle for the next hour or so. But really quickly before we get started, I just want to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be super amazing and I'd be really grateful. And yeah, that is it. It is time to get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to tackle is makeup, and this is going to be really different for me because, for the most part, I kind of look like this every day. Anyway, so ABGs generally have really bomb makeup, and it's glam and fantastic and fabulous and looks flawless. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on primer, foundation, and concealer, and I'm going to do that off camera because it's pretty boring, and yeah, I don't think anyone is interested in seeing that, so be right back. Alright, so we're back, and I have this super dry patch of skin right here, and I don't know if it looks funny, I can't really tell in the viewfinder, but if it looks weird and it bothers you, really sorry. Can't really do anything about it. It's winter and my skin hates me, so yeah. Anyway, so one part of the base face thing that I thought I would show you guys is baking because I've never done that, so could be really funny because I could really royally mess it up. Okay, so I have this Morphe powder. It is the Banana Bacon Set powder, and I'm just going to do that under my eyes. Okay, so from what I understand, you have to moisturize under your eyes and then put concealer, and then you pat this on there and leave it there for 8 to 10 minutes. So did the moisturizing, did the concealer, and here we go. Just gonna really pack this on under here. I kind of wish I had a mirror and wasn't using the viewfinder, but that's fine. It's fine. I don't think it's a precise thing necessarily. Maybe. I don't know. I could regret saying that a couple minutes from now. Okay, so I think this looks good. Or, actually, no, I've never done it. I don't know if it looks good, but there's a lot of powder under my eyes and I think it's enough. Alright, so while this is, sitting there, I am going to move on to eyes, and I'll be using this ColourPop Bare Necessities palette, which I am super excited to use. It is an early Christmas present from my fiance. And look at it, these colors are amazing. I'm a big fan. Okay, so to start off, I am going to take In the Buff, and I'm just going to put that all over my lids and create a nice base for my other shadows to sit on top of. So let's do it. There's no mirror. I'll just use this mirror over there. So if I'm looking this way, that is why. Okay, and then to put a little more definition in my crease area, I'm going to use this shade On Holiday. Alright, so now I'm going to take the shade Banter, which is over here, and I'm going to continue to deepen the crease and kind of bring it up into a V shape this way. I think that'll look nice. Alright, so I have determined that I need a real mirror because the mirror over here is kind of far away and it's not really super bright in this room. I mean, it looks bright in this room, but it's not. So yeah, be back. Alright, so mirror acquired. So let's see how bad this looks because I thought it looked really good because, the mirror is a solid 1.5 feet away from me. But time to know for real what it looks like. Actually, it's not that bad. I'm just gonna blend this out a bit and make this side a little darker. Alright, so it looks pretty good. And I think, now that I've laid down a nice solid eye shadow foundation, it's time to put some actual color in there. And I think I'm gonna go for a peachy look because, I don't know, I've never done that before and I think it would be fitting for this video. So we're gonna take the shade Hustler and apply that kind of everywhere, honestly. And next we're gonna go in with the shade Sorry, palette almost just fell on the floor. We're gonna go in with the shade Complicated and focus that in like the crease and the outer V area. And now I'm going to take the shade Crack On, and I'm really just going to focus that on like the outer thirds of the crease and the V to really give that more depth. And then I think aside from like a lid shade, I think we'll be good. So it's very exciting, making progress. Well, I will get that in a minute. Okay, and now I'm going to run to my bathroom and take the shade The Talk, probably in combination with Fuzzy, and I'm going to like use a dampened finger to like pat that all over my lids to have some like fun shimmer. So, be back. Alright, so I'm back, and I must say I am really digging this eyeshadow look. I think it is super pretty, like, big fan. Okay, so now I think it's time for liner, and I have this Physicians Formula dark brown liner because, well, I had a black liner, but it died, and I didn't have a chance to replace it, so dark brown it is. Alright, so I'm going to go put that on in the bathroom as well because I literally never wear liquid liner, so it is very hard for me to put this on, and yeah, I don't think you want to sit here for like 10 minutes while I struggle to put this on my eyes, so I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back again, and yeah, I know I said it, but I am totally loving this eyeshadow look, especially with the liner. I think it looks really good. And yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll have to wear more makeup in the future. Alright, so I think it's time now to like wipe away this powder, partly because, you know, it keeps going in my eyeballs, and the other part is because it's been like at least 10 minutes. So I'm going to take a bit of this CoverGirl Clean Press Powder and kind of use this big fluffy brush to swipe it away and hopefully blend it a little bit because it's definitely lighter than the rest of me, which I guess isn't bad because like I'm tired and the under part of my eyes is dark, so whatever. If it ends up being lighter, that is fine as long as it's not like aggressively lighter and looks like ridiculous. Looks really good. Wow. I totally see why people bake now. Definitely not something I would do like every day, but as like a thing for a special occasion, I'd be down. Okay, I'm just gonna pat powder kind of all over my face now to just set the foundation and stuff that I put on earlier. I probably should have done this right after, but whatever. Criticize me. It's fine. I know I did probably the wrong thing. Okay, so it's time to pencil in some brows because like the contrast between like the eyes and the brows is kind of intense. So I'm gonna use my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in combination with like this NYX eyebrow powder. And I think I'm gonna use the pencil for like the tail and then the powder for like the inner portion of my eyebrows, so yeah. Alright, so they're kind of not exactly the same, but I mean, they're not usually the same anyway, like when I'm not wearing makeup, so is that okay? I think it's okay because like I'm pretty sure if I touch them, I'm going to make them worse, so we're gonna stop. We're gonna move on to contour now, and I have this Hoola like mini bronzer contour stick thing. You can tell I've used this a lot, right? Anyways, I'm just gonna, you know, like add some definition to like my cheekbones and like my jawline and my nose, and I think I'm gonna also use like this Physicians Formula butter bronzer too. So I think I'm gonna go first in with the cream stuff and then kind of like dust over it with this stuff. So let's do it. Never really done this before, so where is my cheekbone? So I think that's good. We're gonna stop because I don't know what I'm doing. let's be real. All right, so I'm gonna use my beauty sponge thing from Real Techniques and just blend that out and hope that it looks good, really. That's what I'm gonna do. Sorry, I don't talk more. It's really because I can't like put on makeup and talk to you at the same time without like totally messing up my makeup or just talking and not making any sense. So if you're wondering why I'm so quiet whenever I do like makeup videos that aren't voiceovers, that's why. Anyway, so it's time for the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. We're just gonna go over where I put the cream stuff. Yeah, okay. Cool. All right. Came out pretty good. Do I look different? I don't know. I can't tell. Anyway, whatever. So now we're going to add some highlight with this Becca Opal Mini Highlighter because, you know, I feel like you can't have contour without highlight. Under here. Blush. Let's do blush now. Okay, I have this Milani blush in Romantic Rose, and I'm just gonna open it, and I'm gonna apply it on like my cheeks, but not really the apples, kind of just like, what am I trying to describe here? I'm gonna like bring it up like this. That's what's gonna happen. Whatever part of my face that is. So we're looking good. If I look in the viewfinder, it doesn't really look like I have blush on, but then if I look in this mirror, I definitely have blush on, so I'm gonna stop because I don't want to look like a clown. Not the goal of today's video. Alright, so I read that ABGs are really into having like super dramatic, like amazing lashes, so I got the most ridiculous eyelashes I could find, and I'm gonna go put them on in the bathroom because I don't know. I suck, guys. I'm sorry. Most of the stuff I have to do in the bathroom because I just can't do makeup. Anyway, I'll be back. Right. So I finally got them on, and let me tell you, it was a struggle. I stabbed myself in the eye a lot. I got a fair amount of glue in my eyes, and yeah. But I do kind of like them. I like how like voluminous and fluffy my eyelashes are. They never look like this. They're normally like kind of vaguely straight and sparse. So that just leaves lips, and I have this Bite Beauty lip pencil in the shade 16, and then I have this lipstick from, I think it's Estee Lauder, and it's in the shade So Bare. Dude, I can't see anything with these eyelashes on. Dude, I can't see anything. How do people do anything with eyelashes like this? Alright, I think the lip liner's on. I think my lips are lined. I don't know. I can't see. And my eyes are watering. Alright, do I look good? Because I can't see if I look good, so you'll have to tell me. So moving on to the hair. So my options for hair, it looks like I can have dark hair, like black or very dark brown, or I could have like very blonde hair, like platinum blonde. So since I'm not going to dye my hair, I will stick with the dark hair that I have now, but I think I will go kind of brush it and make it look nice. So be back. Alright, so my hair looks a lot better, and I've put in these hoop earrings because I read that hoops are the move. I think they meant like larger hoops, but this is all I've got. Well, actually, I do have larger hoops, but they're like butterflies, and I don't feel like that's fitting. So now, I have purchased these fake tattoos from Amazon, and I think I'm gonna go give myself a sleeve kind of thing. I don't know. Obviously, I don't know. You could tell by how I explain that to you that I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but there will be tattoos, and again, I have to go to my bathroom because, well, I need access to my sink, and yeah, I'll be back. And then I think we'll be done. All right, see ya. So I'm back, and I have tattoos. It is so strange. I never imagined myself with tattoos because, well, I'm really indecisive. Yeah. Anyway, so I tried to make these look like one cohesive sort of thing, but there are definitely some like gaps that I'm not thrilled about, but overall, I think it looks pretty good considering you can't really tell exactly where the tattoo is going to go when you have like a giant sheet of white paper stuff. Moving on to the part that I'm really honestly not looking forward to, and it is the nails. So, based on what I found, ABGs like having like long fake nails, and I obviously don't like having any nails at all. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with these because I really don't want to glue them on because I cannot function with long nails and I have to go to work on Monday. Well, I don't have to go to work, but I have to like remote in from my house and like type on a keyboard. And I for sure will not be able to do that if I'm wearing these. So for this video, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to use double stick tape to tape them on so I can take them off immediately once I'm done. So yeah, this will be a fun adventure. Let's give it a shot. All right, so I have never been more angry in my whole life than I was when putting these nails on with double stick tape. Are they even all on? I think they are. Okay. I told you before, I can't see, which made this an extremely difficult task. I mean, using double stick tape in the first place made it really hard because like they popped off every 2 seconds, but they're on and they look good, I think. Anyway, so that's the end of the transformation. Do I look good? Do I look like an ABG? Did I do it? Did I nail it? Let me know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see me more, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!